the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here in the University Grants Commission official website, a new notice was published on 31st July 2020 regarding the Maulana Azad National Fellowship for Minority Students. So the result for this one is announced by the University Grants Commission. So if you want to check the list of selected candidates for this fellowship, then here the list I am going to provide you, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So first we will check the notification regarding this fellowship. So the Maulana Azad National Fellowship for Minority Students for Research leading to award of MPhil or PhD. The revised guidelines are effective from the selection year 2019 to 20. As per the revised selection procedure, the selection for the award of fellowship to students will be made on the basis of merit of each UGC NET JRF or CSIR NET JRF examination. The guidelines are attached herewith. That means recently the MANF fellowship guidelines are revised. So the candidates must have the qualification of the UGC NET JRF or CSIR NET JRF. Then these candidates only going to get the fellowship from this Maulana Azad National Fellowship Scheme. And the list of candidates who have been identified for award of this fellowship for the selection year of 19 to 20, both cycles, June and December, is attached. The candidates whose roll numbers are given in the list are eligible to receive fellowship for pursue research leading to award of MPhil or PhD as per the guidelines of scheme. The terms and conditions contained in the award letter and this notification. The guidelines of the schemes are attached here. So these are all the guidelines. So you may check all these things clearly. And the fellowship will be payable from the date of declaration of a result or from the actual date of joining of MPhil or PhD, whichever is later. Therefore, if a candidate has already taken admission for MPhil or PhD through regular and full-time mode in any UGC recognized university or institution, here his or her roll number is given in the list, then he or she should apply for the fellowship before 30th 9 2020 only. So the candidates who already admitted for the MPhil or PhD programs, here it is the last date to avail this fellowship. Okay. So, and coming to the list of provisional selected candidates is also provided here. So it is a PDF. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So candidates who applied for this MANF fellowship, you may check your number here. So the candidates whose roll numbers are displayed below have been selected for award of fellowship through UGC NET and joint CSIR UGC NET test held in June 2019 or December 2019 under the MANF fellowship for the year 19 to 20, subject to fulfillment of eligibility conditions laid down for the purpose. So coming to the through UGC NET held in June 2019, 469 candidates are selected for this fellowship scheme. So these are all the candidates list, and through joint CSIR UGC NET test held in June 2019, total 131 candidates are selected for this fellowship scheme. And through UGC NET in December 2019, total 526 candidates, and through joint UGC CSIR UGC test 125 candidates. The exam held in December 2019. So these are the details, and for more accurate and the more details, whatever the link, that means the PDF that I'm providing in the description box of this video, or else you may go to the UGC official website. You will get the complete details. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who applied for this MANF scheme and waiting for the result. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.